Welcome to Gerdau Metals Recycling in Mississauga, Ontario. This is where metals come to be sorted and recycled. This is a magnet grapple. It's a big machine that helps with the sorting. That big plate at the end of the arm is an electromagnet. That's Kyle. He's making it work. Kyle presses a button that sends electrocurrents to the magnet so he can pick up tons of metal. Then he can take it where it needs to go and stop the electrocurrents to drop it. Wow! The magnet grapple can even pick up a car. There it goes! Kyle uses a big piece of metal to crush the car and make it flat. Whoa! The magnet grapple is so strong. Magnets help us do all kinds of things, like sort metals so they can be recycled properly. Magnets are awesome.